Yeah.
Are you filming?
Ah!
Some look unboxing.
Hey guys, I'm SUPERMEXICANMIA and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna eat Subway while unboxing the new
Conspiracy collection.
conspiracy collection from by Shane Dawson times Jeffree Star.
Why do you say times?
Because it's like an A.
It's
you know?
It's Shane X.
And I'm here with my brother. His name is Allan Vasquez. Well, guys, because I've been craving Subway too, because you know how I quit my job. You know,
Watch the video here.
and let's see if they made it pretty good. Hey.
Wait, so when you order Veggie Delight, they don't put anything on it, huh?
Yeah, they're supposed to put. Well, like if you want cheese, they put two slices of cheese on both sides.
Oh, I feel sick. Shane's mom was there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so that here.
That one? Is it working? Yeah. Now you have to press on again. Press video. Press down. No, it's working. All right. Now.
My friend Adam was like, "What's Shane's mom doing there?" Or like, "Why is she even there?" I was like, "Because we stand."
That's so cool. Imagine being a mommy like your son's doing that.
Oh, and we took a picture with her.
Really?
Like she was like literally like to me. It was pretty funny. I was like just too dead to like even realize anything. Well, that was so cute. Oh.
You have it?
Oh yeah, actually. We'll put it right here.
Veggie Delight from Subway, guys.
I thought it was so funny because she gave me a complex sense of order.
Oh, you got them here? I saw this. Woo!
This is the packaging.
Cute.
There was only pink ones at the Morphe store in Burbank.
Ready?
Ready?
That's cool.
Look! Oh my god! It comes with this look at this. The phone. It's like memory foam.
Cool.
It's pretty cool. Nice. It's very like fancy. It's very thick. It's
Ready,
thicker
ready?
than that.
That was all in that bag?
There's just the palettes in here. Look at that last. The black imprint travel bag. It's got like the star and the pig.
That's so cute. The details are nice, honestly.
No, this was $30. Also. Oh my god! Look, even the zippers are like detailed. Look. Let's open it up. And there's nothing in here. But it's pretty roomy, honestly.
Okay, so guys. Next. My brother, we both got one. Hashtag cute.
Yeah, since there was like no bundles, I was like, you know what, I might as well get it.
That's it. That's cute. The packaging's kind of nice, you know? Like, low-key and all complete, honestly. I really expected the packaging itself to be like better. Because it kind of just looks like it's black with lines and that just looks like it's pink with lines, you know?
Yeah,
If they kind of made it like the mini palette, like you know how it's like glossy? Not glossy,
holographic. Oh, that would have been really cool actually.
I'm trying to pull it out. I don't know if it's the right way. Oh, I pulled it out the wrong way.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to pull it out on the sticker side, but it's okay. I don't want to ruin the sticker.
Shane Dawson. I love the name of this.
Shane Dawson.
Look at this.
I thought the name was just like
Shane
really
Dawson.
funny.
This is so fucking weird and cool. I've never worn anything like Jeffree Star before,
Same.
and it's like Shane Dawson.
This is my first like Jeffree Star version. Oops. Oh, I see what you mean. I was like, it's okay.
There it is. It's the Shane, the gloss. Oh! First from Jeffree Star collection ever.
Cute. It feels like fancy.
It is fancy, bitch. I saw this smell before.
It's
like
it's
like,
root beer.
Yeah, no, but oh.
That's what,
yeah, never mind. I don't
what it
like
smells
the
like.
smell.
It's so funny. It literally smells like root beer, you guys. That's funny.
It feels kind of sticky.
Yeah, it looks like it's really like glossy or like. Look, I like how look at the bounce that it has.
Yeah. Everything has, like that has bounce on it.
It's really funny.
Okay, so
Check out a review on my channel, you guys.
it's just a fuck it. Ready? And this one is the shade Are You Filming? Oh, right way. Ooh!
Nice. Oh my god, that looks cool.
I like it because it looks like a bullet, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of. Ooh, this looks nice, guys. Cool. Alright, ready, guys? She looks nice. This is a really nice color, and I saw it. Oh, last but not least, the most important thing, the palettes. I was gonna film a pumpkin carving video, but I had the pumpkins here. Okay, ready? Oh, fuck! I forgot I had the lipstick in my hand.
In the store, they were like, so this was a package like bundle or whatever.
Yeah.
And these little cute.
Oh, it's a bat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
feels really good.
Oh, you're already opening it. Oh
like,
wow, it feels nice.
It's like
What the heck?
glossy, but like texture.
Oh wow, that's cool. That kind of reflects too. It feels cool.
Yeah,
I thought it was gonna be just like pure like
Like
cardboard, you know?
It's like glossy. It's got the, I forgot what the finish is called.
You gonna open it?
Yeah.
Me too. Pretty.
You can see the. Oh, you can totally see.
Oh. Mmm. Ooh. That's so
Look
cool.
at that. Wow.
What the fuck?
Yo, that's
Ready?
crazy that we saw how these were like packaged.
Yeah.
Like,
Everything.
The whole fucking process, dude. Ooh. Oh my god, they're so big.
Wow.
Oh my god. I can't believe I'm like seeing them for the first time.
That's so cool. I don't even want to like touch it, you know? Cute.
Now time for the main attraction.
Mm-hmm. Ready? How do you open it? You just slide it, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just raised, huh?
Oh.
Mmm, bitch.
Oh my god. I can't.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes. What the fuck?
Shit. Oh my god.
Wow, it just feels nice.
Oh my god. It's heavy.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness.
They did a really good job with this one.
Wow. Oh. It's too
Oh
heavy.
my god, finally, dude. My first palette from Jeffree Star. Oh, look at that lash.
Yeah, this feels really fancy and expensive.
I mean,
Jeez, the shade Trisha really pops out at you.
really? Wow.
Crazy.
Maybe it's that one.
That's insane. Oh, I know we saw them do everything.
I know, we literally
Like,
saw
that's
them,
so
like,
fucking
create these
cool. Curl to be, hasn't been ready.
I was like looking at the palette and I really want to do like a look for like each row of like 3.
And it's cool because, what's his name? Oh, my glasses. Jeffree was also saying like that if you look at the top row, it's like, you know, like your everyday, you know, like your green novel looks. The second row, it's like, you know, like pop, you know, colors. And the third row, he's like, oh, like Christmas or like New Year's. I was like, oh my god, that's so true.
Yeah, it's for like evening
I didn't
wear.
even think of that. Like,
Yeah, it's cute. I wish there was more green.
green.
I
Yeah.
really, really wanted that. Oh, that green that they threw out, I was like, no.
I was surprised with the blue from the mini palette. It has more of like an oceany vibe, you know, like blue, purples. Yeah, but it's not a lot of greens.
Yeah, just Illuminati.
Low-key conspiracy, but not really.
Oh yeah, it's like, yeah, it's like gold with a
It's
green
nice.
like.
Ugh, kind of hard to take out. Wow.
But when the back it says attention, cheese dust, sleep paralysis, food videos, my pills, Trisha, not a fact, flaming hot, and pigment are not intended for use around the immediate eye area.
That's cool, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This looks so much better in person than when I saw, like, honestly online. It looks so nice. Like, it's really crazy how, like, the cameras and everything affect the color and everything, you know?
Yeah.
We both have a palette, you don't. I'm kidding.
Like more than $100 worth of palette right here.
Oh my god. This feels really like fancy. Like, it's crazy how like nice. Like, wow. Remember in the first series they made? They were like, oh, we should do like a collab, you know? That was cool. Another there. Looks funky.
There's the final look.
Ready? Oh. That's cool. It's so crazy because they're new. Ah! Let me see. Did it say?
And on release date too.
Okay, so if we run out of root beer, then you got more. Another one.
It's crazy. I didn't even notice that.
Alright, thanks so much guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys also got your palette too, or if you guys are interested in getting one, huh guys? Make sure to follow me on all my social media at SUPERMEXICANMIA. And we're so proud of Jeffree Star and Dawson for creating this really cool collection. Woo! Bye guys! See you later.
Gnarly sign.
Cool. Ah, my trash!
Stop.